Today, let's look at one of my favorite topics, which is YouTube. I'm going to show you exactly how to start your real estate YouTube channel from absolute scratch. Before we go there though, I want to share with you why even YouTube, understanding that YouTube is one of the largest websites out in the world right now. That's number one, the traffic is here. But number two, understand that you can upload as many videos as you want, whether it's one video an hour or one video in a year. It's absolutely free to use. But the most exciting part for me is the fact that YouTube is a one and done model, meaning as soon as this video goes on YouTube, that's it, it's done. I don't have to think about it again until somebody watches this video and either communicates with me by going down to the comment section and making a comment, or by going down to the description and clicking on one of my links. So that is the extent of how much I have to pay attention to this particular video after I've recorded it. And that's the exact same thing that should excite you. You can make video after video after video, speaking of home buyers, home sellers, investors, renters, landlords, whomever it is that you're speaking to. You can make these same types of videos for your business and watch your business grow. Now that's a little bit about the why real estate agents should be on YouTube, but let's talk a little bit about the how. Let's break it down to its most simplistic form. You make videos and you upload them to YouTube. That's it. You make videos and you upload them to YouTube. Let's not overcomplicate it. So first, let's look at how to actually make the videos. The equipment that you're going to use is already in your pocket right now, and that happens to be your cell phone. In fact, most cell phones can already record in 4K. So as far as the equipment goes, there's really no excuse. You can get on with your cell phone and make some high quality videos that are going to engage, high quality videos that are going to bring you clients. However, that's the starting point. As you continue growing in your video making skills, there are certain upgrades that you want to make. The first upgrade you want to make is in your audio. The second one you want to make is in your lighting. And then third is the actual video itself. So when it comes to upgrading your audio, you can let go of your earpieces and then use an actual microphone. So there are clip-on microphones, lapel mics is what they're called. You can use that, or you can use desk mics. You can use professional microphones like these that do cost a significant amount of money, but as you're improving, so should your audio. And then the next upgrade is going to be in your lighting. So I'm able to control my lighting and I'm able to record at 2 in the morning or 2 p.m. in the afternoon. When you start out, you don't need to have professional lighting or everything that you see going on back here. You can get away with recording right in front of your windowsill if you're doing a video that's a talking head video, or you can be on location, of course, and whatever lighting happens to be out there on that day, whether it's raining, whether it's cloudy, whether it's light, you can manage. But at the end of the day, as you're looking to upgrade your lighting, is the very next step. And then lastly, we get to the video upgrade. Notice that we can make videos, high quality videos, with our cell phone alone. Then we start upgrading our audio. Then we start upgrading our lighting. Lastly, we get a camera. Lastly, we invest the hundreds of dollars that cameras cost. They can cost anywhere from $500 to several $1,000s, so they can get expensive, but you don't need to start there. Again, as you start developing some skills, as you understand what aperture means, what all these different terminology that videographers use, as you start understanding that and know how to work cameras, that's when you integrate them into your video making process. Now, once you're through recording, it's time for editing. So you're gonna take the files from your cell phone or from your camera and upload them to your computer. And within your computer, that's when you start editing. You can use free software or you can use paid software. If you're gonna go down the paid route, from the PC side, you can use Premiere, and from the Mac side, you can use Final Cut Pro. All right, so now one quick recap. The video is done. We have recorded it, we have edited it. Now it's time to actually upload it to YouTube. Here's the problem. You may not have a YouTube channel, and that's okay. I'm about to do a screen share and show you how to create a YouTube channel and how it actually works whenever you upload a video. All right, so here we are on my YouTube channel, and in order to get here, all you have to do is go to youtube.com and then search for my name, Jaime Resendiz, and this channel is gonna pop up immediately. And in order to create your YouTube channel, it's quite simple. All you have to do is go to the top right hand side and either sign in to your account. If you have never used YouTube, although that's hard to believe, If you have never used YouTube, then you can create your account there, or most of you already have your account, so that's a non-factor. Most of you are already going to be signed into YouTube, so what you're going to do is create a channel, and you're going to name your channel whatever you want. So I'm going to put this one YouTube test as an example. I'm just going to leave it like that, and then I'm going to create the channel, and boom, the channel is created. It is really that simple. Now, how you go about uploading videos, that is very simple as well. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hit upload video. And remember, let's not overcomplicate this. We talked about making that video. Now, you saw how simple it is to create your YouTube channel. Now, I will be linking up a video right up here that's gonna show you how to put everything into context and how to optimize it from an SEO perspective and really present your best foot forward whenever you create your YouTube channel. Right now, I just want you to see the basics. Now let me find a file real quick that we can upload as a test. So let me just upload this file so you see how simple it is. Once your video is ready to go, you're gonna upload it on to YouTube. And this is just a little clip of a podcast that I have. You're gonna title it right here. You're gonna put something in the description. You're gonna use a custom thumbnail every single time. You're gonna put it within a playlist, so make sure that you start creating playlists as you go along. You're gonna say if it's made for kids or if it's not made for kids, and then you're gonna optimize it through some tags and on and on and on. Now you're gonna have a very detailed video that shares how to upload a video the right way, but what I wanted to share with you right now is more of how simple it actually is to start on YouTube.